Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix account not in this store. Your account is not valid for use in the US store. You must switch to other store before purchasing. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device. And now tap on media and purchases, tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on country or region and tap on change country or region. Select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, select your current country or region correctly and after this tap on agree button and now enter your debit or credit card, or if you don't have any debit or credit card simply tap on none button and enter your billing name here, your first name and your last name, and enter your billing address from here as well. So guys, give all this information correctly and after this tap on next button and save this all information in your device. So guys, do this and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.